Go check your name in the biometric register. Feely, feely, so you can vote.
Assemblyman!
Hey,
Yes, now I have the power to face the work.
you always food. Must I remember, man cannot live by bread alone. Look, you also need the power to vote.
Oh, Honorable, why? It's what I was telling you about. The exhibition of the new biometric voters register.
Everyone who has registered in the recent biometric voters registration has to check and make sure that their name and all other personal details have been captured correctly in the register.
But, Honorable, if I know that I have registered, why do I have to go and check again?
This is our chance to ask of corrections of mistakes in the new biometric register. For instance, the wrong spelling of names, wrong pictures, and incorrect age or sex. And if you have evidence of someone who is not qualified to vote but managed to get registered, you have the right to object to the inclusion of that person's name in the register.
Does everyone have to check their names?
Yes, everyone.
Including those of us who checked for our details the last elections.
The old voters register will no longer be valid. It is a completely new voters register we are talking about.
If your name is not in the new register, you can't vote.
Yes.
Simple. Hey, serious? What are we waiting for? Let's go and check our names in the register.
Oh, please, when you go, check my name for me, okay?
You have to be there in person to apply for inclusion if your name has been omitted.
Anyway, let's.
Wait, see? My money.
The Electoral Commission will exhibit the new biometric voters register from the 1st to the 10th of September 2012. You can help to ensure that Ghana has a clean voters register by checking your registration details and providing information about your deceased relatives.
My auntie just died and I came to report. This is a copy of her obituary.
Don't be left out. Go to the polling station where you were registered from 1st to 10th of September 2012 from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. each day and check that your name and personal details have been captured correctly in the biometric voters register. Come personally and remember, bring along your voter's ID card to speed up the process because only you can ensure that you have the power to vote.
Go check your name in the biometric register. Feely, feely, so you can vote. Make sure you vote.